Good morning, student. Welcome back. Today, I discuss a stress management technique. A stress management techniques. Class 10th, Unit 2, and chapter number 1. This is the second part of the video. Previous class, I discussed what is the stress, what is the management, but today I discuss what is the stress management technique. This stress management technique or approaches to manage stress or approach to manage stress. There are two. This topic is the same, but sometime asked to the question approach to manage stress, or sometime asked to the question straightforward. There are the three technique of the stress management. First technique action oriented approach. First, action oriented approach. Second, emotion oriented approach. Emotion oriented approach. And the third is a very important acceptance oriented approach. Acceptance oriented approach. There are three main technique of the stress management. But today I discuss action oriented approach. Today I discuss action oriented approach. This action oriented approach, the very useful approach in the stress management technique. This is the one diagram. A stress management. This is the one diagram in front of you, and every student watch the video, and this diagram is the focus is always time. This diagram is related to action oriented approach, or this diagram is not related to action oriented approach. This is the first music. Second, nature. Third, yoga. Meditation. Therapy. RAPHY. Therapy and last exercise. Exercise. This stress action oriented stress management is the totally related in the particular area. Action oriented approach. Action oriented approach. Second diagram. The first diagram you saw and the second diagram. Idea, plan and action. This action oriented approach, first idea, second plan and the third action. The previous diagram is related to a stress management. This is also related to the action oriented. Suppose you are going to the office and your boss is always time asked that this particular plan is always time failure. So this is the take the action of your boss, but you always time your mind is the stress. Then after you sometime you listen to music, you go to the meditation. There's so many such type of criteria fulfilled in the action oriented. But this diagram is shown to the idea, plan to the action. This action oriented approach, the very most useful approach. When a facing a stressful situation that can be changed by taking action. Action oriented approach, this approach is most useful when a facing facing a stressful situation that can be changed by taking action. By taking action. This is the action oriented approach. This is the main important facing a stressful situation. When a taking action, this is the taking action. When a taking action to change a stressful situation, the situation can improve, lowering a stress level, positive feelings of empowerment and control. I again repeat that can be changed by taking action. This change by taking action are related to the situation, and this situation can be first improved. Obviously, any such type of taking action. This action is always time related to the situation. You wish the type of situation in front of you. This is the action oriented. This taking action are related to the improve. Second, lowering a stress level. Lowering a stress level. No doubt, positive feelings. Positive feelings of empowerment and control. The four important point: improve, lowering stress. So empowerment. So this taking action are related to the improve, lowering stress, and positive feeling. And suppose this is the not for the negative feeling. I mentioned to the negative feeling. This negative feeling is always time failure to the action. They always time taking action. You always time thought is the positive. Thought is negative. You always time not any such type of project is fulfilled. This is the taking again. There are some example of the action oriented. The first, the very most example, delegating. Delegating. This is the example of the action oriented. What is the delegating? Delegating, first of all, I discuss what is the use of the delegating. When a task need attention, when a task need attention, it is a nearly impossible for one person to complete them all. I again repeat in particular sentence what is the delegating. So first of all, I discuss the delegating. First of all, this delegation is in front of the situation. This type of situation in front. Suppose when many tasks need situation, when many tasks need attention, it is nearly impossible for one person to complete them all. Especially when dealing with a chronic illness. This is an example of chronic illness. Chronic illness. This chronic illness is not handled by the one person. This is the impossible. They always time dealing with the so many people are involved. Chronic illness, taking on too many responsibility can lead to a stress. So this chronic illness is those person have to the very vast responsibility. This chronic illness is a very high level of the illness. This person is the always time to the stressful. Then after to the delegating task such as asking a family. Delegating, what is the delegating? Delegating task such as asking a family member to help with the cooking, hiring a cleaning service to help around the us. What is the delegating? I again repeat delegating. Delegating task. Delegating task such as asking a family member, hiring a cleaning services, are related to the delegating task. So this delegating task is not impossible for one person, they have impossible for the so many people are involved in the particular situation. This is the delegating. Second point, by self confident. This is the again second important point. By self confident. By self confident means clear and effective communication. By self confident means clear and effective communication. These are related to the bicep. Suppose why in you to the clear and effective communication. Suppose you are going to the office and this boss is always time say that why are you not completed in the particular task. There are so many such type of reasons, but you always time in front of the boss. They have to the clear statement, not for the any such type of zigzag statement. They have to the clear and the effective, because the clear and the effective communication is the not good. The job is the always time to the lost. This is the so then clear and effective communication are related to the self confident. You are not confident, you are not positive, you are not self confident are related to positive. Aggressive means not to the fighting. Aggressive means they have to the work achievement, not to the fighting. They have aggressive. I am aggressive in this particular task. So this is the self confident. My third point is reduce time. Reduce time means reduce time is always related to idea, plan or action. Why are the three important points are related? Because your idea is the best, your thought is the best, your plan is the best, your action is always time based. Suppose you are prepared to the 10th examinations and your idea is not good. Your idea is 90% achievement in this 10th examination. So 90% achievement is not the easy task. They have to the always time pre-planning. How many hours in the study mode. They have to the total routine must change. And third is the action. Then the total routine must change, and then after prepare to the particular task. This is the action. My fourth point, first point delegating, second point by self-confident, and the third point reduce time. And my fourth point, manage your time. Fourth point, manage your time. Manage your time. This is the fourth point. Area. Fourth point, manage your time. Manage your time. Manage your time means unfulfillment situation. Unfulfillment unfulfilled situation. Second, sleep deprivation. And the third point, lack of self-care. Lack of self-care. This is the three important. Manage your time. Unfulfilled situation. Unfulfilled situation means you always time waste your time. Wasted your time. This is the unfulfillment situation. You remember to the third point, reduce time. Reduce time is related to the action, idea, plan and the action. But this reduced time is always dependent to the manage your time. You are not manage your time, this area is related to the unfulfilled situation. Sleep deprivation मतलब means they have to the always time sleeping mode. Your idea is failure. Your goal is failure. Your achievement is failure. This is the not to the best action plan. You always time best action plan. You always time best thinking. You always time manage your time. You are not stressful. And the last point, create boundaries. This is the last point, create boundaries. What is the create boundary? Create boundary means amount of times. This create boundaries are related to everyone has limited. Everyone has limited amount of time. Everyone has limited amount of times. Energy and resources. Energy and resources. There are three main important points. Everyone limited amount of time, energy and resources. This is the create boundary. Nowadays time, in the modern time, they have always time. Amount is the more valuable. Amount of time is the more valuable. Energy is the more variable and the resources is the more valuable. So because without create boundary means not to the any such type of creativity criteria. This boundary is related to our on your work, our on your body related. Because your body is not fit, you are the not always time fit. The action oriented plan is the always time failure and they have always time to the stress. This is the end of your topic, action oriented approach. Thank you so much.